Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Studio 6 Austin, Texas, Northwest. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly, non-smoking rooms and facilities for disabled guests. Studio 6 Austin Northwest offers accommodations in Austin. Every room is fitted with a TV. Each room has a private bathroom. There is a coin laundry and a grill at the property. University of Texas at Austin is 8.7 miles from Studio 6 Austin Northwest, while Texas Memorial Stadium is 9.9 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Austin-Bergstrom International Airport, 16 miles from Studio 6 Austin Northwest. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.